Hey YouTube, Campervan Kevin here. Well, today I'm at Island Park, Idaho. Stayed at the Sawtell Mountain Resort and RV Park. Really nice here. Have great friends here. But I've got to head back into Yellowstone, Montana. My drawer slide, or let's just call it my slide that fits under my refrigerator, well, it got shipped to Colorado instead. So I had to ship it from Colorado to here. So it's going to come in today. Also, I've been having some trouble getting my car tag for this van. My temporary plate's about to expire, so I'm hoping that my tag will be at the post office. So that's what I'm going. So that's what I'm doing today. Y'all come with me. Came over here to the Robin's Roost right across the road to grab me a biscuit, bacon, egg, and cheese, $2. Of course, the babies have got their bite. Was it good, Tuck? Man, that was some good food. I'd like some more, please. I'd like some more, please. Why are you looking at Martini when I'm talking? I think he's still asleep, baby MaeMae. Just a little bit. But right here in front, they have some trees that's got, I guess, disease. Very highly valuable. People will take and they'll cut these off trees and sell them. People that make knives and custom woodwork, highly valuable. A lot of people might think it's ugly, but I like it. Who wants to be like everybody else? And because it's different, that's why it's sitting right up here out front. Tucker, don't you lock me out. That looks a lot like a bear. Of course, baby MaeMae's barking. I see the bear. Yep. So it's what's different that sets us apart. And in this case, makes it more valuable. So it's time to get back to Yellowstone, Montana. Don't you kiss me in the mouth. Now there's something I haven't seen before. He mounts his fly rod on the hood of his Jeep. It's got a rack on it like I put on Miss Blue. That's one way to carry your fishing pole. The streams aren't very deep here. Crystal clear right down to the bottom. And here's a view of Lion's Head Rock. Back here's where the RV park is. Resort. That's where I've been staying. Thank you, Bear. Thank you, Tricia. Now it's time to head to Yellowstone. See these posts I keep driving by? They're probably 8 foot tall, right here on the side of the road. Well, they're everywhere. They're even around people's houses and driveways. You know what they are? So you can find the road in the snow. It gets that deep here. Man, that's crazy. Crazy, you got that right. I do not want to be here when it snows. That is above my head sitting in the van. No thank you very much. It's about the 1st of September here, and I don't want to be here when it lets loose snow. I pulled over here to the side of the road so you could see these things. You know, I'm from Georgia. We don't have this. We don't have these. And when somebody told me what they were for, so you could still find the road in the snow. And I looked up, saw how tall they were. No way. No way I'd be here in the wintertime. That's what they got wheels under RVs and vans for. Go south. With the right shoes, I can put my hand up flat on an 8-foot ceiling. I didn't come nowhere close to that thing. It's pretty, but it's not that pretty. I'll be heading south, y'all. While I'm here at the post office to pick up my tag, got to send off a big old sticker order. Chair turned around, using my new laptop case as a desk. The babies are patiently waiting. I could have made my bed a little bit better. Tucker's enjoying all the attention when people come by. Man, you gotta tell them everything. Yep, Tuck, everything.
I was used to LA standards. People here are so nice and kind.
If you don't have your Camper Van Kevin sticker, go ahead and order you one. These are 6. And the green and the black here, they're both 5 a piece. I'll include shipping to you. If you're overseas, please buy 2. This is a great way to support the channel and keep gas in the tank and me and the Wolfpack traveling. Ooh, look at that pretty sucker they just pulled in here. Seneca. I did a tour of one of those. Pretty. They said the mail truck just arrived. They needed a while. Must be a big mail day after the holidays. I stopped at a Sinclair gas station to look for a car wash. The guy told me where it was. I saw this air hose sitting here, so I thought I'd use it. According to the door, it says 65 in the front, 80 in the back, and the spare 80. The back tires are 65 each to match the front, and the spare is 65. So I'm gonna see if I can get this tire pressure thing resolved once and for all. Well, I got the van washed. My packages still haven't come in. Back in downtown Yellowstone. I've been wanting to try this bus right here, Mexican food. Oh yeah.
Good street tacos.
Good deal. So I know the street tacos are good, but I'm kind of wanting a torta.
Yeah, I was going to say that they wouldn't, they can
The torta. Come on, even watch Spider-Man if I wanted to. Here's their air conditioner. Pumping it through the side window. Let's do the job.
It's ridiculous. I was right there.
Beautiful, beautiful. We'll see. I've had some subscribers tell me about this place. It's going to be pretty good to beat my torta back home in Athens, Georgia. When I went back to sell RV base camp, it's the only thing I didn't get to do. Just didn't have enough time. And it's already been a year. So I keep looking for something that's good. There's my torta. Not very big. Maybe it'll make up on taste. They didn't have any Mandarin Doritos, so I got my water out of the truck. Tastes good. Very fresh. Kind of small. Not as good back home. Glad I got it though. Some tasty Mexican food. Fresh. Woo! Feels like, tasted like they had a garden out back. They had carnita on the torta. You know, I guess avocados have got so expensive they can't even spare a slice to put one on, right? $7. So, get my mail. Get this refrigerator slide. Stop, pick up some 2x4s. A blade for my circular saw. And some plywood. I want to get to finishing this thing. Well, there's the first BT Cruiser I've seen in quite a while. Sitting over there on the other side of that truck. I'd say it's probably a 2005 model. Got the new slide. It's massive. Very expensive. I think it was $325 shipped. They shipped it to Montrose even after I canceled the order. So went ahead and shipped it from Montrose to here for another $50. So I have almost $400 in this slide right here. That'll make this bed, make this refrigerator will pull out a lot easier. Gotta have it. Man, what is it with you in boxes? They just destroy all your boxes when you ship stuff. Tucker, that's the truth. Looks like they threw it off a rooftop. But it's steel, it can't be hurt. You sure? No, not really. Leaving where I picked up the slider for the refrigerator, running by this motel right here. Look at the bears you got on the outside of their rooms. But that's fun. You got to be just a little bit different. You got to be creative. More bears. Bears, bears, bears. Man, what is it? Whoa, that's a big dog. Those aren't dogs, Tucker. Those are bears. I'll bite him. No, you won't. He'll bite you back. Well, that worked out good. Went by the post office and got my mail. Well, the one lumber shop here in West Yellowstone got some 7/16 chipboard and 6 2x4s. Now I'm ready to finish off the front of this thing. So I got all this raw wood in my van. Hope I don't get any splinters in my bed. That'll be fun. You know where I stopped earlier and had the poles up? I had a local get me. I must have looked just like a Georgia boy. That's not for the depth of the snow. I was told by another person that when it's a blowing snow, when they have a lot of blowing snow, that they can still see the roadway. It sounds like something I might do to somebody from Idaho, Montana if they come to my house. They got me. All right. Let's get you up here. All right. I'm going to end this little video right here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Hey, we'll see you again soon. You guys take care. Bye-bye. Man, they got you. They made you look silly. They got me.